all know that plants and vegetables have incredible medicinal powers. Among these, garlic is known to have several healing properties. Garlic is considered as an excellent alternative to cure infection. It has antibacterial, antiviral, and antioxidizing properties that help to eliminate the harmful bacteria from the affected areas. It also reduces swelling and pain and infection in the body. Consumption of raw garlic with honey on an empty stomach can help in weight loss and boost immunity, and it also helps to fight against flu, and it also gives boost to the digestive system and also detoxifies the body. You have to take some fresh garlic cloves and then you have to slice the cloves into smaller pieces. Don't forget to remove the peel off from the garlic cloves. After preparing the slices of your garlic cloves, now you can add about 1 teaspoon of raw honey into the garlic. And now mix these two very well, and now you can consume these in an empty stomach for continuously for 7 days. Believe me friends, you will reduce your weight and your digestive system will get more functioning and you will get better immunity after consuming garlic and honey for 7 days continuously. Okay friends, hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you have any doubts about this video, please let me know in our comment section. Once again, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this.